Hi everyone, my name is Monica Ovalles and I'm an Assistant Director of Admissions here at Hampshire College, and we're here to answer some frequently asked questions. One of them being, why doesn't Hampshire College accept SAT or ACT scores? That's a great question, and I want to begin by saying and emphasizing that Hampshire College was one of the first test-blind schools in the nation. We also continue to be one of few schools that do not consider those test scores at all. We wholeheartedly believe that SAT or ACT scores are not reflective and or indicative of how well a student can do in college. There are also several studies that show that there is no correlation between the two. We also want to acknowledge and challenge the racial, socioeconomic, and gender bias that goes into this testing, so instead we do away with all of it. We take a more holistic approach when looking at applications by looking at students' recommendations, their writing supplements, and the courses that they've taken in high school, along with several different aspects. If you have any specific questions on what we look for in an application or anything related to admissions, please feel free to reach out to us at admissions@hampshire.edu. We are more than willing and more than happy to answer any questions for you. Thank you.